This is a 20-inch Lakewood box fan, model K-223, rebadged as Kmart. This fan was manufactured back in 1983. This is a 3-speed fan. It is not reversible. What the hell am I thinking? But it's a 3-speed fan, and as you can see, I have a rollabout stand on it, which is not original to this particular fan, but was available to use on these particular fans through Kmart as well. This is actually one of the last years they were offered in this periwinkle blue color. I have another K-223 which is in the peach color, which was available just about, I guess that's a couple months prior, so this is probably one of the last ones that were made in the periwinkle blue. But anyway, we'll go ahead and start it up here and give it a demonstration. Start up on low speed. We'll take it up to medium speed. And we'll take it to high speed. Set it off here. We'll go ahead and flip it around and shake the back. Looks like it's got a McMillan motor in. And I didn't say this before, it has a 2nd generation Lakewood plastic blade set on it as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this Lakewood Kmart box fan model K223 from 1983. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.